Boruboyai, Borubosheshe, to all you guys out there on YouTube. This is Iwori Ogunda coming at you from Florida. Ooh, over here in the Florida, over here at my padrino's house. It feels good to be, at my padrino's because, this is, you just get surrounded by Ifa and the love of the Orishas, and, it's a very good experience, you know what I'm saying? I wanted to talk to you guys a little bit about, yesterday we had a misa for a lady, and for those of you who don't know what a misa is, it's a mass, a religious mass that's held for the spirits of that person to find out what's going on, what could be the problem, not necessarily the problem, what's going on, just holding on a ceremony, seance for the person, And yesterday, the lady had that we did the mass for, she had got scratched in a palo mayombe. She didn't have none of her stuff. She didn't know none of her, her ancestor spirits, nothing. You know what I'm saying? And it was just this is not a very uncommon situation. That's why I tell you guys on YouTube, don't feel like you got burned or you got robbed. It's out there all the time. People come to me all the time with this problem. But the key thing is finding somebody who knows what they're doing, who can communicate with you well, and someone who's going to guide you and teach you from the bottom. First off, your fundamental, getting your basis, your spirits, your egun. That's the first thing you got to deal with, then moving on up. You know what I'm saying? It's harder when you go through all these processes and they're all screwed up and then we got to redo it all, So this is not an uncommon thing. That's what I'm saying. But don't give up. You know what I'm saying? This faith is a lot about sacrifice. I'm here right now getting another ceremony done with my padrino right now. And it's gonna be a tough one. You know what I'm saying? Because this is sacrifice, but it's all good because the spiritual satisfaction that I get out of this at the end is priceless. You know what I'm saying? So Boruboyai, Borubosheshe, to all you guys out there on YouTube, I'm gonna come at you a little bit later. Right now, I just snuck off to make a video to you guys, you know what I'm saying? And just wanna wish you guys much love and much respect.